I don't feel very well. Oh no.
We've been on now for about 3 minutes.
3 minutes 20. Oh, I need to get off. Oh, what a lovely day.
It is a bit chilly though by the sea.
Yeah, getting towards the coast now. As you can see from the title, we're back at Ocean Beach in South Shields, our annual visit.
Yeah.
But yeah, lovely. I think about 13 degrees.
Yeah, it's just got like a little bit of a wind.
Yeah, well I ran back to the car to get my jacket just in case, but
it's not
lovely.
that warm enough not to wear a jacket yet, is it?
Yeah.
It's getting nice.
Yeah, heading inside now, it's mid-afternoon.
Oh, look at the view.
Right by the sea.
It's going to be busy.
If you've never been.
Tell, can't you? Look at all
It's one of
the
them
cars.
days, yeah. I mean, it's probably the nicest day of the year so far.
Yeah.
So it's a small place. If you've seen our previous Ocean Beach videos, you'll know. But they do cram quite a lot in there.
Yeah, I think like in the years we've said this, it's got so much better.
Yeah.
Compared to remember when we first went, when we first got together. There wasn't a lot there.
Well, I mean, because they have a mix of like permanent rides and travelling rides that come and go. Sadly, this year there's no ice jet. It's been there the past couple of seasons, but
yeah, it's still the breakdance.
Yeah, we've still got breakdance. You can see Crash Test. I'll spin you around.
And maybe Tom is going to go on it.
What, breakdance?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I think you should.
I really want to do a breakdance.
God, look how busy it is.
I know. We'll see. I need to get a closer look at it again before I make any rash decisions. But yeah, I'd love to do breakdance.
I think you should come on with me.
Maybe. What else is there? The ghost train.
Yeah,
It was done out last year, so we haven't been on that yet. So we'll take you inside there. And other than that, yeah, we'll just have a walk around, see what's new, see what changes have been made. Couple hours here. Yeah. Nice. Head inside then, we'll get our fun cards. Obviously, if you didn't know, you pay on a fun card system where you top up your card, pay per ride, a few pound each ride I think, across here. Yeah, let's get inside then, see when we're in there. Ocean Beach. Okay, we're in the park now then. We were going to do Crash Test first, but it's down. He said give it half an hour or so, so we'll come back. We're actually going to head and do the ghost train first, because I've been wanting to do this for a while.
Okay.
As you can see, a really busy day. Got the Miami going round.
See them, isn't it? Like people are back
Yeah.
enjoying themselves.
Exactly. Yeah, we did see the ghost train last year. We saw the new facade, but it was shut. Oh, there it is, breakdance.
Hey, you're going on?
Am I? I don't know. I mean, I've done powder kegs at Lightwater Valley, which is similar, isn't it? We'll see, we'll see. I know you're going on.
Like, I want you to come with me.
I think I'm going to have to. It doesn't look too bad.
You'll be fine.
Yeah.
You'll be alright. It's a bit of a queue actually.
Yeah, a little bit of a queue. Right, yeah, the ghost train, it's actually called Zombie. We'll give it a go. Get in the queue, let's get on. Yeah, and you can't now. Yeah, see what it's like.
Got a bit of a wait for this.
Just want to highlight the new cars the ghost train's got as well. Better than the shooting style ones. It's good that they've changed it. It certainly looks better. 2.5 credits, so £2.50 a go.
You wait like 5 minutes.
Yeah, not bothered. It's lovely, busy. Nice to see it busy. Lovely day. We're on new ghost train. Excited for this. Oh, she looks creepy.
Yeah. And the head's moving on the left.
Oh yeah, you just moved it. Here we go. Completely done out, it's so much better. Oh, that's good. Like the fire. If he was real. Yeah, I don't think there's live actors in this. He's the same, isn't he? Yeah. So much better.
You don't like see like when you're going outside, it's much lot darker, isn't it?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. Remove the shooting element, new trains, loads of new things.
Like it's completely dark now, but you can still see things, you can't see the outside. And I just like the bit of attraction, the new atmosphere.
The luminous light, and it's all good stuff, just under 2 minutes as well. Here we go then, we're in the queue. A little bit of a wait, but...
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I am nervous, I'm not going to lie. I think I'm going to be sick after it, but I want to do it.
He's shooting people on the ride.
Yeah. Right, we'll see you when we get on breakdance. Oh god. Here we go then. On breakdance. I'm sat next to Stacey. Excited?
Yeah, I love it. Doesn't bother me, but I'm like a bit nervous for you.
You said it wasn't bad.
It's alright, it's fine. I mean, I'm worse.
It's only took me 3 years to get on.
Yeah, but you said this year you want to do more things.
Yeah,
like,
I do.
Put you on your comforts, out your comforts.
Might not be as bad as I'm expecting. Here we go. Oh my god.
It is.
Oh. lied to me. Oh. Oh, I'm dizzy already. Oh my god. Oh, I feel sick already. How long does this cycle last? Oh.
About 3 minutes.
Oh.
Will you answer? Will you answer?
Oh. Ah. Deep breaths. Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You feel like you're on a waltzer, like constantly.
It's worse than a waltzer. Oh. Oh my god. If I got to go off now, I'd be just about alright. Oh no, it's getting faster. Oh, I'm on my seat. Stacey's bag's gonna fall out. Oh, my bag is full.
I can't even get it. Oh god, I'm just gonna go flying then. Like the pressure, I couldn't even pick it up.
Oh, I need to get off now. Enjoying it. Ah! Oh. Oh, it must be over now.
No, not yet.
Oh, it's going faster.
He's speeding it up for you.
Oh.
Yeah, as we were queuing, he was like, oh, just go on.
No.
Obviously, he's going to speed
Oh.
it. Make you feel more sick.
Oh.
Your face.
Am I white?
Oh my god, you're white as a sheet. Oh
I don't feel very well. Oh no.
We've been on now for about 3 minutes.
3 minutes 20. Oh, I need to get off. Oh.
Yeah, this is about right for me. Like, I had to get off just now.
I'm not going on this again.
Never again.
No, I've tried it. I can't.
That's it, I think.
Yeah, it wants to be.
Yeah, I think so.
Obviously, if you like spinning rides, it's brilliant, but
I know,
no,
it's starting again.
it's too much for me.
Too intense.
Yeah, far too intense. Oh,
Oh my god, it's
oh,
oh my god.
oh, I need to be off. It's slowing down.
Slow down.
God.
You did it though.
I'm done.
Yeah. You've done it. You've done well.
I've done it.
Oh, she's been sick, bless her. Oh, she's just been
I don't blame her.
I think that was a little bit too intense for little Tom.
What? Are you filming?
Oh, bless him.
Go on that again.
You can? I felt so sorry, like, at least you weren't as bad. There was a woman across the road and like she just was sick everywhere, so they're having to clean it now. You can see there in the back, she's just cleaning it down. I don't know if you can take it out. It's got like a jet washing it all down.
I'm glad I've done it.
Yeah.
I've come off rides feeling worse than I do
Hey, which
here.
one would you say?
Well, to be honest, this is the energy land here, I felt worse.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not good at spinning, but I'm glad I've done it. I can say I've done a breakdown.
I know. That's the thing, it's like you've got to go on these rides just to see if you like them, and like with you, like you just can't do the spinning motion. And we have said, like when we go to America this year, you definitely need to get, well we both do, we need to get some motion sickness tablets. Yeah, I don't know what we're going gonna go on now.
Something a little bit gentler.
Tom's just gonna have a little break. Probably get a drink or something.
Yeah.
And then we might go on the frog hopper.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Right, breakdance is going again. Yeah, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm starting to feel a little bit better.
Good.
It is a brilliant ride, I must admit. If you love your spinning rides, highly recommend going on. It is. Yeah, I just want to show you this, the new Matterhorn. Obviously, as we said earlier, IceJet has now left, so they have this, which apparently is going to be permanent.
Yeah. I think she said around the summertime.
Yeah, so it's not open yet, obviously. But yeah, we may come back in the summer and give that a go. They also have the swings and crash test is back up and running now, so maybe we'll do that next.
And the log flume's getting
Yeah, the permanent caterpillar and the log flume's getting done, so we can't get on that. You got wet on that, didn't you, last time? Never mind. Yeah, they have another coaster here. I can't remember the name of it. So yeah, if you're into collecting your coaster credits, there's 3 at Ocean Beach. Yeah, we might go over a crash test then, and we'll take you on. Yeah, look at the queue for crash tests. We've never seen it this busy.
No, the sun gets everyone out.
Yeah, it certainly does. Biggest queue here at the park, but they do have all of the cars on, so they're constantly going round. So it won't take long to get on this. I haven't been on it in a few years. Yeah, let's get on. Crash test. Crash test, we only actually waited about 10 minutes for that.
5 minutes.
5-10 minutes, the queue flew down. So going up the lift now. Hopefully we don't spin too much. You might want to spin. And then yeah. Because it's right by a park, Ocean Beach. It's lovely. We had a little walk through it. Oh, and after this, I might go on one of the other coasters because I've done them before, but not in quite a few years. Here we go down the drop. Whoa! Ah! Oh! 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 Yeah, this isn't a permanent ride here. Oh! But it has been here a couple of years. We haven't really spun yet. Oh! Oh, we didn't really spin, did we? Yeah. Oh. I'm glad we didn't spin.
We know you've been on it, but I just remember like
it's all good fun though, yeah. 4 credits for a crash test, so £4 to go. Ride's come off crash test. Not Stacey's favourite.
No, I think it's quite rough, and when I'm going around the edges, I just bang all the time, and especially when you've got a dress on.
Hurt your legs. Just gonna have a little walk around here, because we don't really go down this side often. We come to do the log flume, but it's down.
If you like food like us, there is so many options.
Yeah, there is fish and
Curly
chips.
fries with natural cheese.
Yeah, hot dogs, burgers.
I'm actually going somewhere at the end.
Oh, it's a shame. Really like this log flume. It's one of the best small log flumes we've done. What? Yeah.
You get so wet on this
You
side.
do, it's so fun.
Especially at the end one, end drop.
Maybe in the summer we'll get to do it.
We will come back. I want to go on the Matterhorn.
Yeah.
The log flume, even the pirate ship that's down today.
What else have they got? Yeah, the permanent rides. There's a twister, a waltzer, dodgems. All your classic fun fair rides, really.
It's good for like families as well for a few hours, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can bring your dogs as well, right next to the beach.
It's lovely on a day like this. We're told as well that apparently a couple more rides may be coming for the summer, because remember when Power Surge came here? No, it wasn't Power Surge, not Power Surge. What ride am I thinking of? There was a ride that came here for a couple of months, and it looked really simple now because I forgot what it was. Yeah, I'll remember and mention it in the vlog later, but yeah, the rides come and go here. It's a really nice place.
I wish Ice Jet was still in.
I know.
I'm sure I'll get on it, maybe go to the Hopkins, like Goose Fair or something. Have
Yeah.
I been on the waltzes here?
I don't think you have, maybe, years ago.
I don't want to be spun anymore.
I think you're going to do Spring Break,
Yeah.
which is like the other major big ride here. And yeah, and I'll get on another coaster.
Do you really want to do that?
Yeah, that's pretty much the park really. You get your fun cards from the arcade, and you can go and top them up. And obviously there's a few kids rides as well. Right, we'll get on something else now. We're going to do Spring Break, yeah?
I'm going to have a little break.
Yeah, like
Break.
a little break and then a spring break. Right. Oh, that dog is so cute. Oh, beautiful. Ah, hello.
Oh, beautiful. Love that.
I know. We need our own soon. Instead of looking at strangers' dogs all the time.
Well, we are saving. We've saved about 900 towards,
Yeah.
haven't we? We're hoping to get maybe December, January.
Yeah. At the moment we've got Dougie, my auntie's dog. We steal him sometimes, don't we?
Yeah, but we want him to meet our dog a bit.
Yeah. Breakdance. Probably the best ride here. But I think Stacey's gonna go and do Spring Break then.
Right, here we go on Spring Break. Tom's down there. I think it's a few people on here that haven't been on it before. Woo! Oh! Woo! You can tell it's funny when you watch people.
dress and I'm still a bit cold. I was looking at the weather for when we go to Texas and it's like 35 degrees. I think that's too hot. That's the end of that. Yeah, two minutes on that.
Right, Stacey's come off spring break, enjoy it. Your hair's gone a bit wild.
Yeah, isn't it? Yeah. It was funny because we were speaking to a few people there that were sat opposite us. Yeah. And it was their first time on it. They felt a bit sick.
So hopefully if you're watching, you've got a good view of yourselves now on that. Yeah, that's the name of the coaster, Speedy Coaster. I'm going to go and do it.
Yeah, it's like a Mexican one.
Amigo, yeah. Just because you haven't been on it in ages. Yeah, I forgot to mention, I was right earlier. Power Surge was here, wasn't it? Yeah. I know another ride was here as well. I forgot about it. The name's left me, but yeah, Power Surge did come here. We actually rode Power Surge at Chesterley Street, just down the road. So that's why I didn't think it did, but yeah. I didn't go on, no. You know what I mean? Yeah, I would never get on Power Surge. Right, let's get in the queue for this. I've been on breakdance, yeah. Last ride of the day then, Speedy Coaster. Let's take you on. There we go then. Go on, back row. Not as sunny now. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, it's got a little bit of force on that. Where's Stacey? I can't see her. Oh, there she is. She's recording. Yeah, it's a lovely little park, Ocean Beach. Oh, if you are local, get yourselves down. This ride was £2 ago. Oh. I think you get 3 laps on it. So yeah, we may come back in the summer once the Matterhorn's open and if anything else new here. Log flume as well, that is brilliant. After this we're going to walk back to the car. We're actually going to get a burger. Stacey will tell you all about it. She's so excited for it. Right, we're heading back to the car now. Had a lovely couple of hours, haven't we?
It's really nice to get out of the house.
Yeah, it's always lovely visiting Ocean Beach.
I like when it starts getting to like spring.
Yeah.
Like lighter nights and
well, the clocks go forward.
Well, it's not good for us. We're actually getting up in the morning to go for a walk in the Lake District for Mother's Day. Hopefully, fingers crossed, to the 6 mountains. But we're setting off at 7 o'clock. So obviously we didn't running. We forgot that the clocks go forward. So even though we're setting off at 7, it's actually going to be 6. Because it'll go forward to 7, so early night tonight. 6 in the morning. Never mind. Yeah. It's going to be fun. But yeah, we love this time of year. Spring through to summer and autumn. It's our favourite time. Enjoy Ocean Beach then. What was your favourite ride? Breakdance for me. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I did it, but I can't go back on it again. I'm going to say for me, the ghost train No, I did
because
enjoy
I enjoyed that they've obviously changed it all. I think it's so much better because it didn't need that shooting element anyways, and yeah, it's a lot better now.
I just think they improve on bits every year, don't they? And it's always worth going, and it's good to support like the park and stuff.
Exactly. I'm sure we'll be back in the summer. So go on then, Stacey, where are we going now?
We are going to Fries and Bergs, which I'm so excited to eat.
For years she's been wanting to come here.
No, it's like rated really like high on Facebook, and there's a couple of reviews of people that said they've travelled over 60 miles to go and have this burger.
Yeah. And
you know how much we love our food, so obviously we have to try it and include it in the vlog.
Yeah, we'll show you now. We're just going to walk back to the car, and once we get it, we'll give our review.
Yeah, just want to thank as well the park for
of
tickets
course,
today.
Yeah, thanks for
we honestly had such a fun day, and if you haven't been before, definitely come down. It's a lovely area. Look, there's even the ship out in the background, the ferry.
Yeah, lovely.
Wonder where that's going. Really nice area, isn't it?
Yeah, South Shields. Like I say, it's right next to a huge park as well, just on the other side. Right, let's get to the car. We'll see you once we get our burger and see what we think of it. Oh, we're so hungry. Here we go then, we've just parked up. Are you going to take a bite of it?
Yeah, see what it's like.
Yeah, got the receipt. It's so cheap as well. Double cheeseburger and chips, £5.95, £2.50 for 3 chicken fillets.
If you can get it in my mouth.
It looks nice.
Oh, it's delicious.
Good verdict. Yeah.
I want to eat.
I know, but I need to eat mine before it goes cold. Yeah, we'll finish it and then, yeah, end the vlog. Oh,
delicious.
I'm gonna have this now. Oh, what a lovely burger that was.
Oh, I'm stuffed.
10 out of 10.
Oh, that was absolutely amazing. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 just because I didn't have enough garlic sauce. But if I did, it would have been up there. But it was just amazing. Yeah. Like, we had the chicken fillets
The chicken better than KFC. I'm not even just saying that. It was
beautiful because it was pure white. You could see there was no pink in it. Really crispy. It had like this herbs, like sauce on top of it. It was lovely, wasn't it? Really nice.
Lovely burger. Definitely try it if you come over to Ocean Beach. Fries and Bergs. Not to say that Ocean Beach food outlets aren't worth visiting though. The fish and chips. There's all sorts of stuff here.
So much.
When we drove to it, there's so many restaurants that we didn't even realise was here.
Well, when we were going down this like long road, we've never been down it before because we came a different way to get here, and there was like an Italian, a Mexican, a Spanish restaurant, loads, wasn't there?
Also,
we obviously wanted to go here for quite a while, but next time we'll definitely probably get some fish and chips.
Yeah, well, we've had such a good day. We're actually going over to the cinema now, Cineworld in Middlesbrough, about a 45-minute drive. We're going to see Ambulance. It looks really good if you've seen that advertised.
Yeah, I need to get milkshakes. I'm so thirsty now.
Yeah, also watch Boiling Point on Netflix if you haven't seen that. I really enjoyed that with Stephen Graham.
Okay.
You thought it was okay, but I thought it was really good. Yeah, we've had a really good day. Love Ocean Beach, our annual visit. Oh, we probably will come back in the summer.
Will. I want to obviously go back on. I want to go onto the Matterhorn.
Yeah.
And also the log flume as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Done up.
Yeah, but thanks for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment. Next up, we're going to Whitby Goth Weekend for the first time in 3 years. It's back on in April, so that was fun last time.
Gonna go with your mum and dad. Your dad loves horror, so he's looking forward to getting back and seeing all of the stalls and things.
And we love Whitby as well, so stay tuned for that one. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next vlog over at Whitby.